Do you ever hold back from saying what you really feel because you're afraid that it's going to make things worse? Maybe you've tried being honest in the past, but it only led to frustration, defensiveness, or complete silence. You know that you and your partner want to be close to each other, you see them making an effort, and you know that you are trying, yet conversations go downhill really quickly. In some ways, now you've learned that honesty only leads to disconnection and conflict, so you stop sharing your needs and your feelings, and the emotional distance is growing in your relationship until you just don't know each other anymore. If this sounds familiar, don't be discouraged. It doesn't mean that your relationship is doomed. It means that your sense of safety has been shaken, and that's something that I can help you rebuild. I'm Monica Burford, a licensed marriage and family therapist based in Sacramento, California. I have a virtual practice where I help couples rebuild connection after hurt, especially when honesty has felt like risk rather than a path to closeness. So let's talk about what it really takes to feel safe being honest again and how to start to rebuild that foundation together. First, emotional safety isn't about avoiding conflict. It's about creating a space where you can bring your full self, your thoughts, your fears, and your needs without feeling dismissed or judged for it. There are two parts to this. First, it's about how we share our feelings. Oftentimes, when we're feeling hurt, honesty comes out as blame, a criticism, or judgment towards our partner, even if we don't mean it to. So when your partner reacts in those moments, it might not be that they're rejecting you or your needs. It might be that they're reacting to the tone or the words that they're hearing, which is probably far from the message that you meant to share in the first place. The second part is making room for your partner's needs and perspective without letting your own needs, feelings, and views get in the way. That's why rebuilding emotional safety means working as a team. It's learning how to create space for each other's vulnerabilities and learning how to bring up topics without attacking or criticizing the other person. Second, safety develops and flourishes through repeated experiences. It's not rebuilt after one talk or one apology, but through consistent moments of showing up with kindness, curiosity, and patience over time. That doesn't mean that you're always going to agree with each other, but it means that you'll stay present and listen without turning away. Not only during conflict, but outside of it as well. So when your partner is sharing something with you, you pay attention. When that starts to happen, honesty stops feeling like risk and it starts to feel like connection again. If you're stuck in a dynamic where honesty feels unsafe, you're not failing, but you are in a system that needs a reset. If you'd like to explore how to bring safety back into your relationship, book a free 45-minute video consultation with me. It'll give us a chance to talk and explore whether I can help you feel safe enough to be honest again and close enough to feel like partners again.